What's up, everybody? I'm the 1B, and we're going to do some more video editing. And this video editing project is definitely me getting confused. If you've watched some of the other ones, I've been confused lately on which videos I'm video editing, and the reason this is happening is because I have so many videos to edit. And they're all pretty much the same thing, right? So I'm like showing the process of taking like one thing and the whole parts of the process and turning it into content, right? So like I have a video and then I want to turn that video into content. I have to video edit it and add a thumbnail and then upload it to you, then add the thumbnail. So this one is supposed to be me video editing. This is supposed to be me video editing a shatter by video editing shatter thumbnail creation. In the video, I call it Defcon, that I'm editing the Defcon thumbnail creation. We're going to call this video editing shatter thumbnail creation, more content confusion, version 1. Click OK. All right, we're just going to, oh no, I was going to do it right now, but it's not what I'm here to do. All right, so 418. I bet it's this one right here, 545.42. Yep, I'm going to drag that in, import. Let's drag it down into here so you can see. And then it's going to be right here. I know you can't see that part, but just know it's there. And then we will select what am I selecting? The 1B folder, YouTube, end screen here. Then we're going to drag in this. And then, as usual, there is some audio. So you can see here, like I play the video a little bit here. You're going to get a double echo here, so let me just get rid of this top one. What's up, everybody? The 1B here. So the question is this going to bring anything to the B here? That was pretty fast starting, so I might not need to do any little. What's up, everybody? Question is, do I want to keep that in? Whatever. Let's just keep it in because it's there. Just like that. Let's relink these up. I like to turn down this one, I guess, actually. Let's go ahead and bring that to the front so it doesn't keyframe in the middle and the volume changes randomly. We're going to do we'll do -2 on that. We're going to do 15 on this one. Up 15. Then we're going to reselect them all. We're going to not group. Undo. Link. Okay. And then let's zoom in just a tad bit. What's up? I'm the 1B. What's up? Eyes closed again. Do the Control K again. Selected. Shift Delete. Ripples. Lovely, 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 lovely. We'll go to the end. And again, I hope everybody's being healthy out there. Peace. And tag. Oops. Dang it. There. Control K. Select this. Shift Delete. Doesn't necessarily need that. I forgot. Make sure we turn it up because why? Because you have to turn it up. Give the people I have to turn it up so that it gives you the option to turn me down, but also to turn me up if you need me to, if you need to. Or not, I guess I'm already loud enough, right? What's the saying? The saying is what's the saying? I forgot. I say it every single time and I forgot. I'm gonna think of it as I save here. File, export. It's better to make you turn me down than not be able to turn me up. Video editing, shatter, thumbnail, creation, save. So the only reason I bring up the Adobe Media Encoder, which is about to pop up, why I always queue it, is because I would have issues before when I would export it. It just never worked out quite right. So now I just always use Adobe Media Encoder. It's just easier. Now, what I would like to do is edit like 15 videos, drop them in here, and then render them all so I don't have to do it every single time. But I haven't tested that out yet. So currently, while I'm trying to catch up on content, that's not something that I want to be testing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to hit this green button here, and while it does that, I'm going to go and do something else while it renders, which is probably going to take about 10 minutes. So thanks for watching. Go watch one of my other videos. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.